Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna talk about Hanyu Shuiping Siji Kaoshi, the Chinese proficiency level 4 examination. Let me tell you my story about passing this examination. When I was in Pakistan, I have never heard of this examination, but when I went to China, our university told us that we have to pass a language examination which is compulsory in order to get a degree from Chinese university. So we started preparing for that examination and we studied Chinese language for 2 months. After that semester, we studied basic sciences, mathematics and Chinese language. After 4 months, we had to attempt HSK4 examination. Alhamdulillah, I passed that examination. Only a small proportion of students were able to pass that examination and I was one of them. You can see my result here. Let me tell you some tips and tricks and some apps, and those apps will help you in passing this examination. So first of all, what you have to do is to download Baidu Translate. For iOS devices in App Store it is available, but if you are an Android user, you can download it on Google. It will be downloaded as an APK file and then you can install Baidu Translate from that file. Baidu Translate is the most accurate translator I have ever used and I have ever seen. The second app is Placo. You can download it on Android as well as on iOS devices. Placo is an app in which you can practice your Chinese characters and it also works as a dictionary. So Placo is also a useful app which will make your study easy. Number third is Duolingo. Duolingo is an app which will help you to study a new language, and if you are a beginner, it will help you make your learning process fast. In Duolingo, you can revise your new words. The last thing I want to tell you guys is to choose between computer examination or the conventional examination. What I mean by this is that when you apply for HSK examination, you have to choose between computer examination, or if you want to do it on paper, you can also choose that. When I was applying for HSK examination, our university didn't give us a choice. I would suggest you guys that you choose computer because it's very easy on computer. In computer, when you type pinyin, character will pop up, but when you write it on paper, you have to remember the character stroke by stroke, and it will be a little difficult for you to write those characters in time. On the other hand, on computer, you just have to remember pinyin and memorize a little bit of characters. Memorizing characters is not a difficult thing. I think HSK4 is not that difficult and not that easy because it's an intermediate examination. If you work hard for 3 to 4 months, you can easily pass HSK4 examination. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurt.